Water scarcity hits people of Sardingingti village in Rongbin Langsun, Athoy. Good morning, viewers, and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live Morning News. Here with Julie Baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. As the dry season returns in the district, the problem of water scarcity has once again come upon the people residing in the Rongbin Langsun Athoy and the Koilamati area. People are now suffering from lack of water for drinking as well as other uses. Ponds and streams in the hilly areas of East Karbi Anglong dries up as soon as it enters the dry season. And people get severely hit by the shortage of potable water, making life more difficult during the dry season. During this season, residents of Sardingingti village in the Rongbin Langsun Athoy have to travel more than 1 kilometer to fetch water for domestic use. There are more than 25 families living in this village. Locals inform that their village have never got the help of the government, and since long time they have only relied on natural sources. Local women of the village told Karbi Anglong Live that their condition remains the same throughout the year, as in rainy days the natural ponds and streams becomes dirty, and in winter the sources dry up. At present, they are depending on the small ponds, the tiny rivulet far away from their homes, with little water for cooking, drinking, cleaning and other purpose.
Rongbin Sardingingti Rongdi. Nang tum kijun lang ring pini long dun malong de.
Long le ti bo mat lang ha vi siksak tu li yo an lang ke ter si piri de ke chok chok ka ching lu ka ching thi kijun an ta jini tin ni
Don kon don lang tum la Rongbin long.
Don ingko ra phoni du ji bo.
Don korok pa bag di. Tenang tum la so lang an ke ter si kiching lu ching thi la si peniluma.
Lalu rong isita lang ha video lo ke
Kijun ke nang tum kona si sok lam dam ma.
kijun ge lang clear wa sa bo do la si kijun jun lo
Hemben helu ulang ma.
kemen hello arleng I hong lang.
At this time, when the world is aiming to set foot on a new planet in the universe, it is heartbreaking to see many of the hills people still waiting for their dreams to have the most basic necessity for their survival fulfilled. Meanwhile, locals of the area have urged upon the PHE department under KAAC to take measure to solve their decades-long problem of drinking water. Samson Inti's report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. Local news portal channel Karbi Hills Live on Thursday completed 1 year. The news portal was launched on April 8 in 2020. Here is a short report on the anniversary celebration. The news portal was launched by social activist and singer Mongol Rongpi with the aim of bringing news and events from across the twin hill districts of Karbi Anglong to the masses. And the portal news channel has been to establish a place for itself with its correspondent across the hill districts. And on Thursday, Karbi Hills Live completed 1 year, and the day was celebrated at Farmers Growth Center, which was graced as chief guest by senior journalists of the Hill District, Kangbura Singnar, and Karbi Anglong District Press Club President Diganta Tiron, Samprikimi editor Kiri Ronghang, DY365 correspondent Rajbir Singh, and singer Mandeso Rongpar, among others. NewsX report with Bikram Theron for Karbi Anglong Live. Local youth organization of Nilip constituency, Chingri Youth Association, came up with the idea of setting up signboards along the inter-district border. This has been done to create awareness among public about its boundary area and the demarcation between Karbi Anglong and Golaghat districts. Here is a report. The team of local youth led by Nilip branches of Chingri Youth Association and Students and Youth Council jointly carried the initiative of erecting signboards in the inter-district border to make people know the boundary between Karbi Anglong and Golaghat district. The districts share a long boundary line which often people fail to identify. On Thursday, the team erected a new signboard at Nahor Sola. Among the youths who initiated the work were Saija Teron, CYA President Jirsong Togbi, Dilip Teron, Jirsong Terang and others. According to the team, they had earlier put up 3 other signboards at different points on the border area. The organization also expressed gratitude to the local residents including MSc Pabitra Rongpi for supporting them in the initiative.
CYA, PNPSA, lahai dumhana churu pikonla, benilitum dak nahar tulalong da lahai sambor nang tarbena. Prang di lahai abi nom jo, lahai PNP, CYA, lahai nang sengpen, non wani ning karo, ben jo non lahai laan sita border, lahai no border ke.
Ola welcome to Nahor Sola punili tum kitok pontang kila dak Nahor Sola border potsi amasila dak welcome to Nahor Sola labang sini tum en ponrong lo.
Tingrum decision long nilitum SYC pen sitame nilitum alang litum hanta kerap dun lo lapen nilitum hal susi ke paprang ke gia fansi nilitum SYC student and youth council tu nilitum ta alang lipan kerap itu dun lo.
The youth leaders told local media that they will continue putting up more signboards in the future. They also asserted to work for the development and well-being of the people in the area. Sanjit Crow's report from Chokihula, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.